Hello everyone, this is Priyanka here. I hope everyone is doing well. Dear students, I mentioned that in last video that I'm going to give you important questions related to BCom final year subjects. Here today we are going to take some important questions along with the explanation. Here in cost control management accounting for BCom final year students, the most important and repeated question is that what is the cost control management accounting, explain its features, and what is management accounting? What is management accounting and explain its features and objectives of and importance of a management accounting. Here, management accounting is very plays a crucial role in an organization that organization accordingly the given statement by management accounting they can plan, okay, they can plan. Here process of collect process of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and financial and non-financial information of management or to management. Here, planning process of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and financial and non-financial information to management. Here, collecting the information which is related to the financial and also the non-financial activities done by the organization. This all reports is given to whom? To the management. Okay, now let's we discuss the objectives of management accounting. Here the first objective of management accounting is that to provide information. So why this management is accounting is important? To provide the information to whom it's providing the heads of the organization. So the heads board of directors, they will come to know actually how the organization is running. So it provide the information and to assist in planning. Here management accounting will assist in planning. Just now I said that with the help of the management accounting they can furtherly plan accordingly. Yes or no? And to aid decision making. So decision making, generally you people know that resolution is done by the board of the directors. This all decision making process whatever is there, that is going to be done by the head of the departments. Here with the help of management accounting they can take the proper decision related to the organization. So that's what we are calling it as a aid to decision making. And to control the business operations. Yes, the operational activity whatever happening in the organization, that will be controlled. Control with the help of what? With the help of the management accounting. To control business operations, to improve efficiency means the working methods. Okay, whatever the working process will be there from starting to the end user. This is improved efficiency, will improve better to maximize profit. See, every organization, any organization, what is the main motto? Before starting the business, to earn profits, right? Here it's a commercial unit. So obviously with the help of the management accounting we will the business can maximize the profits and minimize the cost or minimize the expenses of an organization. And to facilitate the coordination, yes, to facilitate coordination. Here various branches will be there, dear, in a business, like purchase department will be there, sales department will be there, okay, branches will be there, okay, and various levels of department will be there. Each department consists each heads, managers. So with the help of this management accounting, all heads together, they can coordinate and work with efficiently. Okay, so that's what we will call it as a to facilitate coordination. And the last one, to support the policy formulation. Here policy formulation, what do you mean by policy formulation? Each and every business unit, every organization have their own terms and conditions, right? So we will call it as a policies, right? So to support the policy formation. And features, let's we discuss what the features that included in management accounting. The first one is future oriented. With the help of management accounting, we can estimate, we can forecast, or else we can predict the future how it will be, so that we will call it as a future oriented. Management accounting is a future oriented. Okay. And after that, decision making tool, just now we have discussed, right? So management accounting plays as a decision making tool, and it will helps to heads of the company to take the proper decision. So management accounting act as a decision making tool. And selective nature, management accounting is a selective in nature. Analytical approach means there will be the analytical data. It will be a analytical approach, means in numerical value the data is provided to the management to analyze. So that's what we will call it as a analytical in nature. And use of a financial accounting and cost accounting. With the help of the use of financial and cost accounting, management accounting can give or provide the better statement to the heads. It will use financial accounting and the cost accounting also. Who will use management accounting will use to provide correct report. Okay. And after the flexible system, it should be a flexible, it should not unflexible, it should be a flexible. So management accounting is a flexible system. And uses of statistical and quantitative. Here in cost control management uses statistical and quantitative, means generally in our cost control management accounting, already you people know that we will try to solve the problems like what trend analysis, okay, common size statement, comparative statement, and budgetary control. Okay. Budgetary control, and what else, cash flow statement analysis, and fund flow analysis. These all are the statements or else methods that basically use in the management account. Okay. And this all ratio analysis, trend analysis, comparative analysis, also the important practical problems. Now let's we discuss the importance. What are the importance of this management accounting? Helps in decision making, helps in decision making. It acts as a decision making tool, right? And it will helps in decision making, and assist in planning, and improves the control, improves the control. And cost control means anyhow, just now we have discussed, there should be maximization of profit and minimization of expenses. And efficient use of resources. Efficient use of resources means in a organization there will be various levels of resources that basically we will use. So there should be efficient usage of all these resources, which will leads directly or indirectly for a growth and development of a business. For example, labor resources, machinery resources, these all are the resources. So with the help of the management accounting, we can work on these resources effectively. And what is the performance evaluation? Performance evaluation, you all people already know, just now I given various departments of managers, the various department levels of the employees working in an organization. With the help of this management accounting, what happened there, there is a chance to evaluate, there is a chance to evaluate the performance of the employees. So with the help of the management accounting, there is a chance to for chance for what, performance evaluation of an organization. And the last one, supports coordination. With the help of the management accounting, all departments together, it will help with the supports the coordination, and facilitate the coordination, and working together can be happen, and with a smooth scenario. Okay. These are very important what you say, question mark. Please you people do one thing, first write the question, and stepwise the side points whatever I given, you people write it, and try to collect some sources of this particular topics from doing web surfing, or else if you're having material, with the help of that if you're using C app applications, well and good, but try to practice once, write once, and try to read twice, and before going to exam, once again read. You will get exactly 12 marks if you get this question. This is very, very important. Okay, please take a screenshot. Okay, and please, dear students, please try to support my channel, subscribe, share to others, like it. Okay, maximum if you share to your friends, it's going to be helpful a lot, and directly, indirectly, it's going to be helpful for me also. Please support me. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.